Here's one of her little sticks she gets right here. Gotta play with it. I can hardly hold it. Yeah, she picks little ones to chew up. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. You don't like that when I do that, do you? Yeah. This is where I should have brought the balls out. But I'm not staying that long. Oh, I got it. It's hard to get it away from her. But I do every once in a while. I got it. Damn it. Hit the goalpost. Okay, she's done. That's a good part. Doesn't go on for like half hour. I just dropped that. Yeah, that was a false poo. Found she, we came over here and did her poo. I picked it up, threw it away. Because there's no dogs allowed in here, and I do notice, like there's a tree down over there, broke. They have been cutting branches. So I know the maintenance people come here. I've seen them here, and if I would just leave her poos, and they're pretty big, I believe they will put a lock on the gate and stop that. The maintenance people, they don't like dog poo. But as you can see, plenty of geese poo everywhere, man. There's no geese in here today for her to chase. It's too bad. Free grazers. No, just joking. They're over. They usually over. I haven't seen them. Two drove by, went into the baseball field, and left. I guess they're looking for their band because there's usually, I count probably around 20, 25, or 26. So they're like paired up. That's one of them has an accident or something. So this is like my resting point. I haven't made it around once yet. But we're gonna try. We're gonna keep trying. Walked 2 times. Forgot my gloves. They're in the truck. I could go get them. But why? Yeah, she just picks out those little sticks. Sometimes she gets littler ones that break off the trees where we live. And those are cool because those are all dead anyway, mostly, and they break right off. And then we're done. I don't have to keep pulling on her. I love pulling her up, though. She doesn't like that. She wants to be the one that's in charge of that kind of stuff. Yeah, maybe it's a bad idea not bringing the balls, but I ain't going out in that wet field and get my shoes all wet again. I went and looked for her poo, and there was none, so then later I caught her doing it and fixed it. But anyway, yeah, okay. I don't mean to bore you. Oh, where'd she go? Oh, there she goes. I like it when she poos up there because I don't pick that shit up. I leave that shit right there. Yeah, and see, they're cutting trees there, and there's a shovel over here by those, I don't know, jumping things, and that wasn't there yesterday. But I don't need it. I ain't shoveling nothing. Those days are pretty much over. Okay, guys, you have a great rest of your Sunday. Oops, you can barely see it, but there's that wonderful truck. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, for some reason this is working longer than it usually does. So anyway, I'll let you go. Love you guys. It's time for me to walk over to that shed right there and take care of some of my personal business. And then I got my other seat right there that I'm going to go sit down on. And I'll try and walk around one more time and I'll be out of my... All right. Talk to you later. Bye.